Hi guys, I'm going to make hair growth spray. Today I'm using hibiscus leaf and bay leaf. This is cinnamon and my clove. So first of all, I'll pour everything inside here. I just measured it to show it to you guys. I'll add 1 cup of water inside. So after adding it, normally if you don't have all the ingredients, the things that I'm just doing, you can just use clove and cinnamon and bay leaf. It can be okay for you to make your hair growth spray. But I love onion, so I'm going to cut 1 onion inside today. Okay guys, you can see after chopping my onion, I'm going to add it inside. So the onion is not must. I love to making this spray, I always love to add onion inside, so you can do it without adding onion. Okay, so after you on your fire, just boil it for 10 minutes and cover the lid and leave it to infuse for 12 hours, and you strain it, start to use. That's all. Thank you very much. If you like this video, give me thumbs up, like it, share for me. Okay, you can follow my page and see more tips about hair growth treatments. Okay, after boiling like this, I'm going to leave it to infuse for 12 hours, so I will strain it tomorrow. When you make like this, your hair spray, your hair growth spray is ready, and it's not like it's very simple ingredients, and there is. So now I'm going to off the fire. I was making it to the low 3, so now I'm going to off the fire and cover the lid to infuse for 12 hours. So tomorrow I'll strain it and start to using it. Very simple and it's very effective. It's only that if you don't want the onion, no problem, don't put onion inside. You can use the hibiscus leaf, clove and bay leaf, or rosemary also. You can use it to make your hair spray. Okay, yeah, thank you very much. If you want to see how to apply it into your hair, check my YouTube channel or my Facebook page. You can see how you are going to apply it in your hair. Hello guys, you remember yesterday I make my leave-in spray, so now I'm going to strain it. Hi guys, you see now I strain my leave-in spray yesterday I make it. So when I see the oil that actually I'm putting inside, I put this oil inside. This one I make it 3 months now. When I make it, that was June, or it's more than 3 months, right? I did it on June. Today is 27th September. We're almost entering October, and I remember this and I just saw it. I said, oh my god, let me bring this in. So it's that oil that I put inside, but you can put any oil of your choice, or you can leave it without putting any oil also. It's also good to go. So now I'm going to pour it inside my spray bottle. We have so many things to do. How I was make this oil, you can check it on my channel. And also I strain it today. I still have this one also. That's that's fenugreek and flaxseed and rice. Okay, I talk on water. Please guys, if you are hearing noise background, please forgive me. That's my daughter, And mothers, you cannot be making video and you are thinking everything is going to be perfect. Your daughter will not allow you. Anyway, that's it, my family. So now we are straining it. I strain it. I'm going to pour it inside my spray bottle and start leaving it. Hibiscus leaves. You will see the video even. I don't need to tell you guys again. You see what I used to make this wonderful, powerful leave-in spray.